Hi guys, Steph here. Okie dokie, today we've got a lovely, gorgeous, handsome fountain pen for you. What we've got for you is a Conway Stewart number 73, made in England. Made in England around about the 1950s, I believe around about it could be sort of 1953, I believe, through to 1958. But a lovely, gorgeous pen. Now, the 73s, I believe they made him in black, and they also made him in hatch patterns as well. Now, whether they were actually made in marbling colours, I'm not 100% sure. But I know I did make you a review of this particular model in, I think it was a green hatch pattern. So what I'll do, I'll leave you a link to that later on. You can go and have a look at that. But yeah, a lovely Conway Stewart 73. The size of it capped is 136 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's a nice 11 millimeters in diameter. Now let's show you the barrel imprint. Okay, so there's a barrel imprint. It says Conway Stewart 73, and then just underneath we've got made in England. Okay, so as you've noticed, it's a lever fill fountain pen, so it's got the Conway Stewart lever there with the sort of Conway Stewart logo to the end of the lever. If we take you up to the cap, you can see it's got 3 cap bands. We've got this slightly broader one to the centre with these 2 narrow bands to each side, and then we've got this long Conway Stewart diamond clip with the Conway Stewart logo, as you can see, to the very top there, and to the very top we've got this black peaked stud which complements sort of the end of the barrel there. You can see the end of the barrel is also slightly peaked. So it's a lovely, yeah, I would say a lovely, elegant fountain pen. Absolutely gorgeous. Well, especially in this black with the gold-plated trim, I think it looks absolutely beautiful. It didn't look beautiful when I received it. I've fully restored it, fully disassembled everything. We've fully restored it, put a new sack in it. And what we'll do, we'll try and find a nice home for the pen. I'm sure somebody will enjoy it for many, many years to come. So there's your different angles for you. Let's take you up to the section. You can see quite a standard Conway Stewart section, slightly tapers towards the nib with a little ridge near the nib. And then if we show you the nib there, we've got a lovely Conway Stewart 14 karat gold number 4 nib. Absolutely lovely. There's a slightly different angle for you. Let's turn it round, show you the feed. We've got the very recognisable, quite a plain Conway Stewart feed, as you can see there. As you can see, everything, as always, gets fully disassembled and is fully cleaned. It's quite a longish pen, as we said, a lovely, elegant pen. Nice and comfortable for me personally to hold, even with my large hands. Now, what we'll do, as I say, we're going to try and find a new home for it, so I'm not going to fill it because we've put a new sack in it, so I'll leave that pleasure to the new owner. But what we'll do, let's dip it in the ink and let's see how the pen writes. So we've got a Conway Stewart, as we said, the number 73. Made in England. It's actually writing very nicely indeed, lovely and smooth. There you go. No, it doesn't have any flex. It's quite a stiff nib, as you can see. Writing, I would say, with a medium nib, but writing very nicely, very smooth writer, as you can see. A lovely writing pen, so it'll make a lovely everyday writer for somebody. Let's just give it a wipe. We'll clean it after the video. So there we have it, an absolutely stunning Conway Stewart number 73, as we said, made in England, gold plated trim, a long elegant fountain pen, absolutely gorgeous. All it needs now is a new home and somebody to enjoy it for many years to come. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoyed showing them to you people. Give the video just below, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget people, leave a comment below, don't be shy. Subscribe to my channel and you don't miss any videos. And don't forget people, yeah, we've still got problems out there, so please stay safe. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.